is st equal to t? So no information in our prompt, just a question. Do not fall for the trap of rephrasing your question by dividing each side by t, in which case if you did that you would get is s equal to 1. Do not do this because you cannot divide each side by t here because we do not know if t is equal to 0. It is possible that t is equal to 0 and we can't divide by 0. So what we can do though, if we wanted to rephrase this, we can subtract t from each side. So we can rewrite it as is st minus t equal to 0. And then if we wanted to, we can factor out a t, and that would give us, so is t times s minus 1 equal to 0. And then if we wanted to, we can rewrite our question as is t equal to 0 or is s equal to 1. So we can do this if we wanted to. So before we were discounting this scenario here where t could be equal to 0. So now let's think about this. So statement 1 says s is equal to st. And so we can do the same thing if we want and subtract st from each side or subtract s from each side. Let's do that. So we get st minus s is equal to 0, and we can factor out an s here. So this is telling me s times t minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is telling me either t is equal to 1 or s is equal to 0. But that's might seem like it's close to what we're looking for, but it's actually sort of the opposite. It's flip-flopped of what we're looking for. So this doesn't tell me it doesn't tell me if t is equal to 0 or s is equal to 1, because when t is equal to 1, it's possible s is also equal to 1, and when s is equal to 0, well, it's possible t is also equal to 0, or it could be equal to something else that we don't know. So that's not sufficient. Statement 2 says t is equal to ts. This is a really weird question because this is literally the same equation as our question. It's just flipped, and then our st is changed to ts. So this is obviously sufficient because it literally answers the question. I've really never seen that where basically literally a statement answers the question. That would be like saying, is x equal to 3? And then the first statement says x is equal to 3, or about as close as you can get to that. So B is our answer here.